What's good, YouTube? So hey, I got a tutorial for y'all. Of course, hey, I'm always coming with them tutorials. Y'all seem to like them. They're quick and short, quick to the point, and they work. They're effective, right? So hey, I got a 2-for-1 special right now for y'all. So we're gonna hit some triceps. I'm gonna give you 2 exercises that's guaranteed to give you a nice pump, give you a nice shape on your triceps, and guaranteed to grow them, right? So hey, let's get to it. All right, so for the first exercise, we're gonna grab a pair of dumbbells and we're gonna do some tricep extensions. So with this exercise, you can either do both arms at the same time or you can do one arm at a time, whatever you prefer. So I'll show you one arm at a time and then we'll do both, you'll get it. So what I like to do, I like to hang over the dumbbell rack like this. But if you have a gym that's super packed, don't do this because you're in the way of all the other weights, and if somebody's trying to grab the weight, they can get in your way, you can be in their way. You can just go grab like a bench, similar to this, and hang off of this and go from there. But there's really nobody in the gym right now, so I'm gonna do this. So all you're gonna do is take your dumbbell like this in a nice 90-degree angle. And then with this exercise, you really want to focus on just your elbow moving. You don't want like your whole arm moving and whatnot. You just want the elbow moving. So my elbow is fixated, or should I say my upper arm is fixated in this position, and it's just my elbow that's gonna move. So, boom, boom. You're just gonna kick back. These are called tricep kickbacks, or tricep extensions with dumbbells, whatever you want to call it. We ain't gotta get into all the technical things, just know this is the exercise. Just go back, back. And a good, one thing that I do with this exercise that I find that really gives my tricep just that extra squeeze is whenever I get to the top, I tend to tilt the dumbbell back towards my wrist. That really helps just, boom, see? Really helps that tricep just get full extension. Just like that, get that extra squeeze. And we gotta always do the other side, just real quick, keep it even. And it might take a while for you to kind of get in the habit of not moving your elbow so much and having it in a fixated position. You really just want to keep focus on your elbow being stuck in one position and just allowing your arm to do all the work, and just like your elbow being a pivoting point. All right. So that was one arm at a time. Now we're gonna do both arms at a time. Both arms at the same time, right? So with this exercise, you're just gonna bend over. Obviously, you don't have a free arm, so you can't hold on to anything. You're just gonna bend over a little bit like this, and then kick back. Now this particular exercise, you might find a lot harder to do versus doing one arm at a time, because now you're using stabilizer muscles like your core and whatnot to keep yourself upright. And also, you don't really have the support of your other arm, so your triceps are working a lot harder. So just keep that in mind. There you have it. Nice and simple. Again, try the one arm at first if you're new to this exercise and maybe your triceps are not that developed. You really have to, develop that muscle to do, both arms at the same time. Might be a little difficult if you're not that strong in your triceps, but also, you can lower the weight. So just give that a feel, see how it goes. Again, don't be in a rush with this exercise. Really let the tricep do all the work and keep that elbow as a pivoting point. So, told y'all this was a 2-for-1 special. So the other exercise I'm gonna give y'all is gonna be a body weight exercise. So all you're gonna do is grab a bench or grab some kind of ledge that you can basically hang yourself off of. So, just like this. And I love to sometimes start my arm workouts off with this, or maybe end them with something like this exercise, superset it with diamond push-ups. So, enough of all that. So, this exercise, basically all you're gonna do, so you'll be seated down, and you're just gonna kick your feet out, put your arms on the edge of the seat, or whatever you have, the ledge. This can even be your bed. You know, you can use your bed as the ledge point and then just hang off like this. So you're gonna take your arms and you're gonna fold them in just like this. Come off the edge, and then you're just gonna drop, like some bodyweight dips. And sometimes you can come up and hold it right here in this position. Really let the blood pump and flow into the tricep. Come back down. Look at that stretch, and then back up. Stretch, and back up. And as for your feet, you can do various things with them. You can kick them all the way out. You can have them bent a little bit. I'll show you all that. So you can have them bent like this. You can have them kicked all the way out like this. For me, I tend to like them a little bent, so I stay closer to the bench. And it's a more comfortable position for me rather than just coming all the way out here. I feel like I put my shoulders a little bit in too much of a strenuous position. So I like to kind of keep my butt a little closer to the bench and all my body weight closer to the bench. And I just come down and let my tricep do all the work. And you can also, you can cross your legs over like this, get a little more balance in there. Whatever you feel like doing, but just know this exercise is targeting your triceps. That's what you're trying to work. So it doesn't really matter what you're doing with your feet and all that. You just want to make sure that you're feeling it in your triceps and you're getting the most work out of it. All right, so there you have it. That's 2 tutorials right there. I told y'all, a 2-for-1 special, a 2-for-1 special. So that's guaranteed to give you a nice pump on your triceps. And I promise you, if you try that, and you mix it into your arm workout routine, it's gonna get you right. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. We out.